The present video shows a test rig designed by the mechanical department of the University of Pisa in Italy to test drill pipe connection under rotating bending fatigue. The component fatigue curve and the fracture sections are the results of the testing. The useful characteristic of this test rig is that it operates near the resonance of the pipe connection specimen, allowing quick testing and a light structure despite the high strength of the component. The typical diameter of the tested pipe is 150 millimeters. The connection is approximately at the middle of the pipe. The length of the entire specimen is almost 4 meters. At one side of the pipe specimen, there is a fixed mass. An electric motor, actuated by an inverter, moves a rotating mass placed at the other side of the pipe. At this side, there is a fixed mass and a rotating eccentric mass. The rotating mass is spun by the electric motor through a universal joint to allow the axis angular deflection and dynamic displacement. The pipe is supported by 2 couples of large rubber wheels placed at the steady point of the dynamic deformed shape during testing. The 2 steel rings are placed to constrain the pipe in case of catastrophic failure for safety reasons. The fixed masses are approximately 100 kilograms, but their values can be adapted to the pipe geometry to be tested. A resistance strain gauge is placed on the body pipe to measure the strain and then deduce the stress during the testing. A laser triangulation displacement sensor is also used to measure the displacement at the joint during the dynamic test. Displacement and deformation give a complete description of the dynamic vibration, allowing a closed-loop feedback control. The eccentric mass rotating speed is gradually achieved up to a certain frequency, near the resonance of the specimen. A stroboscopic lamp is here used to figure out the dynamic vibration trajectory by tuning the frequency of the lamp near the vibration frequency. The rotating eccentric mass appears almost steady under the stroboscopic lamp when the 2 frequencies are close. After 700s of thousands of cycles, or even millions of cycles, the specimen experiences a fracture, either at the connection or at the body pipe near the connection. present specimen fractured away from the connection on the body pipe, where the internal section area reduces.